DMAGICIAN2500 presents.
Alright, well we're going to do a lawnmower maintenance and care plan video. Here we go. So, I got your basic riding lawnmower, Craftsman series. Right, in pretty good shape, but we want to keep it in good shape. So, here we do. We've got some 55-pound weights on the back. That's usually for the winter time. I've got our basic deck. Alright, and then underneath, I'm not sure if we'll be able to really see it too well. We got some blades. Grass. Okay, so it's a 6-speed, 44-inch deck. Right? We've last changed the oil filter in 2011. Our front tires are in working condition. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Go around. We got our choke, the bunny and the turtle lever. We got the light switch, still works. Okay, we got our mower deck height, clutch. Some people might call that the brake. This right here, you can push that in when you're running, put the clutch in, and you can lock that in so it'll stay running while the lawnmower's on. Otherwise, as soon as you get off, there's a pressure thing here which shuts the lawnmower off. This guy is just a kind of a can holder for any sort of beverages when you're lawnmowing in the yard. Transmission, we basically got a first gear, second gear, third gear, and reverse. Your basic ball, lever. On-off switch key. When you're working on underneath, always take the key out. And you're turning your blade mower on and off. Okay, so basically to maintain it, you just kind of take a leaf blower and every so often blow out all this leaves and grass clippings that come under here. To maintenance underneath, you can either remove the deck or put your lawnmower up on some jacks. Remember, take the key out and maybe scrape some of that grass buildup underneath. Okay. Maintenance, always check your oil. Always make sure there's gas. Change the oil filter every I don't really know how often to change it, but change it maybe every 9 years or so. And just be careful. Always look behind you when you're. Let's pop open under the hood. Okay, so we got a basic Kohler 18 horsepower twin Craftsman and a push start battery. Okay, everything is looking pretty good. Maybe a little dirty if nothing else. Always check your oil before every lawn mowing session. Hard to see. I think we might need to add some oil. I got your basic 5W or 10W30. Maybe even 20, I'm not really sure. Dad always told me what to put in, and I can never remember. Okay, so that's what it kind of looks like under the hood. Not really sure where everything else is. Your spark plugs over here, and some electrical connections, it looks like. Okay, so when you're filling up in gas, take your the gas tank, unscrew that, and you fill her up. Can't really see if it's full or not. Can't really see hardly anything at all. And you take a flashlight. It does come with a hitch that you can put some additional accessories, pull behind devices. I never use it. We do have a snowplow that we can attach to the front, but now that I've got this snowblower, I don't really do that. that's really kind of the walk around basics of the lawnmower. The seat was not factory built. This is something that we added on after. Works really good. Runs. You gotta replace the blades every so often. They do get worn down. Other than that, this lawnmower, I would give it 8.5 or 9 out of 10, just because it's been working for so long. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let's turn this up, put the clutch in. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the review of the Craftsman Lawnmower riding series, and look forward to doing more reviews. Have a great day. Thanks.